My name is Chikamaleweza and I'm here again bringing you videos on how to make money online. Please do not skip any part of this video, stick to the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon button so I can bring you more videos like this and you receive notifications when I bring up more videos like this. Now let's get right into the video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make money today using the website doing small tasks. Now this website is totally free of charge. You can use it and make small bucks. At least you can make up to $2 in a day or $3 in a day depending on how hard you work. These are just small micro jobs that you can do and just earn small money. So the first thing you do on this website, before I go on, I will tell you that this website, you can find the link in the description of this video and you can click on it, register if you like the website, and you start doing this small task. The first thing you need to do is to click on register. It's at the top right corner. When you register, you put in your first name, your middle name, your last name, your gender. This is optional. The gender is also optional. You also need to put in your birth date, your email, your password, and all these other information. Look at your country of residence, your state, your city, zip code, and all this. Click all these. If you want, you can skip anyone, but this one you need to click it. It's a must because you need to confirm that you accept the terms and conditions. So when you finish that, but I won't do that because I'm already registered, so I need to click on login here and log into the website. Now as you can see here, look, this is what I've earned, and I earned this thing not just in one day. It took me up to a week to earn this. So I just want to show you this site so you can do this small task on your phone, on your mobile phone. I'm telling you, it works on mobile phone because I was tired of using my system, so I did it on my mobile phone. So look at just imagine this task. You just need to search on YouTube, watch, like, subscribe and comment, plus add screenshots, and you just get this 0.1 cent. So if you can do this thing 10 times, you get $1 in just a day. So I know that you can do this thing more than 10 times in a day. Look at all these other ones. Look at all of them. This one, you just need to install an app, create an account, and you get this amount. The same thing with this one. You need to see all of them, and if you do this thing, there's no way you can make up to $2 a day. So every day if you go onto this app, you can make at least $2 in a day. So I think this is a great site for you to make, and it's not hard for you to withdraw. You can also come here and you withdraw. Look at my earning here, so I can place a withdraw order and you can see all the platforms you can withdraw from. You can withdraw through onto PayPal, Skrill, Pioneer, ATM. I do my own through PayPal, Skrill or Pioneer, but I don't want to withdraw now because I want to use the funds to do something else. These are also high jobs that are here, that are specific for some people who have been here. You can also create campaigns to send people traffic to anything, any offer that you have. You can have an affiliate link and decide to create a campaign to send traffic there to make people do some tasks. For example, if you have an offer such as a CPA offer, you can come here and pay people $0.08 or 8 cents to do a certain task, and you earn more, such as $2. I think that would pay off. So when you do small jobs here, you can get the money and use it to to get more money. So I think this site is a great site where you can earn money online. Now let's go over and click on a task. When you click on a task, all you need to do is you need to read the description of the task so they won't cancel your job. So let's go over maybe to this task and we'll see the descriptions and we'll know how to do the task. Now you see that this task has no excluding list, and you can see the pay. You can see that it takes less than 120 minutes to finish, and you can see all the descriptions. Look at work done 9 out of 20. Now if you go down, you can see what's expected from workers. Go to this website, download and install the app, create 3 new Google accounts and add this for recovery email. This one you add it for recovery as a recovery email. Sign up to the app with 3 newly created Gmail accounts from 3 different devices. Do not sign up to the app from same device. Sign up 3 accounts from 3 different devices. Look at the required proof that task was finished. First, Gmail login ID and password. Second, Gmail login ID and password. Third, Gmail login ID and password to prove that the task was finished. So if you're interested, you say you accept this job and you start the job. This task also has a lock-in time of 7,130 something seconds. So within that time, you're supposed to finish that task. If you don't finish it, it will go up and you need to click the task again to to sign up and submit your proof. That's if the amount of people that are required to do the task is not being filled up. So you can also click on another one to also see the description. It's almost the same thing. All of them have a description, what they want you to do or what's expected of you to do in order to fulfill the task requirements. So now look at this one. Go to this link, sign up using English name from here, fake name generator, use password and provide it as proof. Don't use any recovery email and remove phone number after done to verify. Bonus: if you create an extra account for me, I will give you extra bonus. I will continue to offer you more jobs. Now look at required proof. Provide Gmail account and password. Provide second Gmail account and password for bonus if created. This is it. If you want to accept this job, you can click here to accept it. Now this maximum positions per worker is how many times you can do the job. So he wrote one that you can do the job once. Okay, now the once means that you can just do it once, you can't go back and do it again, except if you do it once, you can provide an extra bonus, which is a second account, which is the extra bonus. So the job is meant to be done just once. So now this is just practically how to use this website to earn. Once you do those things, you'll be earning small cash every day, and it will be amounting to something. I think here you can earn as high as $2 in a day. But it's not much for people who live in country like ours. So if you cling onto this site and use your smartphone to do jobs on this site, I think you can make some amount of money for yourself and use that to make more money. Like this amount of money here, I'm going to use it on this website to create campaigns like this and make more money. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can use CPA marketing with this site to make money for yourself if you don't know. So the first thing you need to do anyway is to first create an account, then do jobs so you can earn money, then use that money to make more money using CPA offers. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. You can share, also subscribe and click the bell notification icon button so that when I release videos like this, you'll be the first to watch it.